Max News Channel presents. Sony unveils its new PlayStation 5 controller, the DualSense. Sony revealed more details about its new PlayStation 5 controller on Tuesday and said that it's starting to ship the controller to game developers. That means game developers can think about how to use the new controller's features in their games. The new DualSense wireless controller has more immersive 3D audio, improved tactile sensations via direct haptic feedback, such as rumbling and shaking, so users can better feel what's going on within a game. The new controller also has built-in microphones for quickly chatting with friends, although Sony recommends relying on a headset for longer conversations. DualSense marks a radical departure from our previous controller offerings and captures just how strongly we feel about making a generational leap with PS5, said Jim Ryan, president and CEO of Sony Interactive Entertainment in a statement. The new controller, along with the many innovative features in PS5, will be transformative for games. A share button for taking screenshots, video and live streaming has been replaced by a create button that will serve a similar function. Sony said more details on the new button will be revealed later. The DualSense controller comes in a white and black design. The new controller is redesigned to feel smaller than it looks, Sony wrote on Tuesday. The company said it went through hundreds of mock-ups over the last few years before settling on this one. The Tuesday blog post reconfirmed the console is still slated for release during the holiday season this year. Several analysts, including Jefferies Group and DFC Intelligence, have predicted that the ongoing pandemic could delay the PS5 and Xbox Series X from shipping. There is the possibility they could be delayed into 2021, DFC wrote in an email on March 27. Subscribe to Russia Tonight channel and thank you for watching. See you.